of my video to append the data in Power Query. So in the previous video I showed you how to extract by using extract value by text before delimiter and text after the delimiter. But the same can be done through split column also. So I'll be showing the way around. So what I'll be doing is I'll be duplicating this. So it's a duplicate now. So I'll be removing the functions. I'll be removing it, and again I'll be redoing it. So I'll be removing the things which have been done. So in the last video I showed you extract before and extract after. So it was a bit a lengthy one. So so now what I'm going to show you through delimiter is you can use delimiter. So the thing is that we're having we're having AED. So again I have to remove this reordered columns. Again I'll be removing this change type merged column, extract, duplicate, extract, duplicate. So so I'll be using delimiter. So that was a lengthy process. Again you can see AED and mixture over here. So I want to magnify this data. So this can be done if you can't do simultaneously. If you want to think you can do simultaneously, it is not going to help you. So you have to select only one column at one time, split by delimiter. And last video I showed you how to it was not able to replace value, and we used extract text before delimiter and text. So that was a lengthy process. So we can use delimiter. I just missed out in the last video also. So now I'm going to tell you that if you remove this and make this into an AED advanced option, you can see two columns will be in two, and you can make this into OK. So it's automatically become debit 1 and debit 2. Now you can see that AD has been vanished. So automatically what is AD has been separated. So other things are there. Now you have to merge these columns first and two, and then you have to do a merge. So you can type this as debit 3 and OK. So the column has been merged. Okay, you can type this as a debit 3, or you can see if you can make it debit only, if you can make it debit. Okay, so now it will make into decimal. Now if you scroll down, you can see that it has been merged. So this is actually a negative value that I'll be showing in the next video, how to write a query for that. So we will do the same over here, and this also has been it's having a mixture of AD. So you know I can't make this into a decimal value, it will give an error. So please refer to my previous video. So again I'll be doing split by delimiter, and I'll be typing this into AED. So it's a caps lock. So AED, and again columns will be 2, and I'll be doing this into OK. So now it is credit 1 and credit 2. So if you scroll down, you can see that the AED function has been vanished. So now what I'll be doing is I'll be selecting both the columns, and I'll be doing a merge column, and I'll be writing this as a credit, which will be my credit column. So now you can see that debit and credit are being, so I will be making this to a decimal value. So again here this credit is okay. If you want to credit, all the things are in a positive value, but in debit there is some values are in positive and some are in negative. So there is a there is a less than 0 also. So in credit it is okay, all the values are greater than 0. So in the next video I'll be showing you how to write a code, and how to convert this into a negative value simultaneously to make into a to make into a pivot table to make the analysis. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and please be posted for the